Guys, back here with one more last YouTube video for the day.
Yes, and guys, last time we went to this thing, a picture of the squad way ahead of us.
Yeah, we're just exploring this haunted thing up here. It says it's haunted, so let's see. Yeah, it was actually pretty haunted when we first did it. It's kind of shady. This is so sketchy. I saw a squirrel up there. Whoa! I thought that was a picture. Don't do that.
Part of the bridge is falling. Look.
Look at this. Part of the bridge is falling, guys. And there's feathers all over the place.
I know, feathers.
I don't see any pigeons back there. Okay, we gotta move. Let's just go. Oh, we gotta go. You guys heard that, right? That's scary.
No, scary, guys. I told you it's scary.
I know. We gotta go, guys. Remember, I just want to give you a heads up of what's going on. YouTube videos only on Thursdays and Sundays. At least 3. So, yeah. So, we gotta keep going. There's some rocks up ahead that we can explore. Whew. We've made like 40 YouTube videos. I think 41 now. 41th video. They're just chilling. Hey Dad, should we make a YouTube video when we fish?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we'll see you there, guys. We're gonna start fishing later. So maybe we'll make some YouTube videos.
Yeah, maybe
there.
This is not the last one.
Okay. Oh, look at the feet. Look at all the things. Look at those beautiful flowers.
No. Nobody, because who's next?
Anyway, guys, there's the bridge there. We got. Let's go explore the rocks. Look at those deer bees.
Guys,
Pollinating. It's the circle of life.
oh no! Bee!
Alright, we got the rocks. There's bigger ones down here.
What was that?
I don't know, but that doesn't sound too good.
Watch out, Mike's behind.
Bikers, do not feed geese / ducks. Please do not disturb. Whoa, okay, there's a bee. Run.
Where do you want to get on it? Well, you just go across here.
Some map on his back. Okay, guys. Oof. Man, I'm tired and hot. Do you think the fish will be biting when we do?
Absolutely.
Thing? I don't know, man. They're either biting in the morning when it rains. Not sure about it when they eat. Let's keep going. We got a forest life preserve right there. Okay. Yeah. I don't know why we're not popular. We made like 41 YouTube videos. You guys have broken my heart. We don't even have 1 subscriber. Okay. Let's go look at the rocks. Let's look at the rocks. See if we can find any big fish or anything. Maybe we'll find a giant goose egg. Who knows? Found a lot of cool stuff here. It's just water. Let's see. Comment down below if you think I can do this. Let's start. No.
Of course this is kind of, I hate to say it's kind of.
The water's a little clear.
Guys, look at this.
What?
I can go way hard.
Whoa, try to go to the end of the rocks there. Just deep holes down.
Careful.
I think that's about it, guys. Journey back home. Yeah. I'm looking at something.
Oh, I've been there. We've been there.
Anyway, guys, thank you for
We're
watching.
going
this.
right now. Yeah, you too.
Thank you for watching. Keep seeing something. Thank you for watching our videos. You guys rock. We rock. Everyone rocks. I can't do it. I have my water in my hands. Sugar Kids forever. What?